For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Ecovacs X8 Pro Omni. It's a game changer for home cleaning. Many of us struggle with finding time to clean our homes properly, and I'm guilty of being one of them. We lead busy lives, work long hours, and often have limited space to store all our belongings. Therefore, it's essential to have a reliable and efficient cleaning robot that can take care of the hard work for us. But what makes the Ecovacs X8 Pro Omni so special? Let's dive deeper into its features and see why I'm obsessed with this little machine. \n. Firstly, the X8 Pro Omni is equipped with a powerful Mikado 2.0 suction system that captures 99.97% of dust, pollen, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns. This means you can breathe easier knowing your home is cleaner than ever before. But what really sets it apart is its ability to map out your space and adapt to different surfaces with ease. No more worrying about navigating around furniture or dealing with pesky pet hair. One thing that caught my attention when I first started using the X8 Pro Omni was how quiet it is. It's almost like having a whispering assistant, not some loud, obnoxious robot taking over your space. And the app integration? Seamless. You can control and schedule cleanings from anywhere in the world, ensuring your home stays spotless even when you're on vacation. Now let's talk about its impressive navigation system. With visual SLAM, simultaneous localization, and mapping technology, it creates a detailed map of your space to ensure efficient cleaning routes. No more wasted time or missed spots. The X8 Pro Omni gets every inch. But what I love most is how easily it adapts to new spaces. Just press the clean button and let it do its magic. But don't just take my word for it. Many reviewers have praised the X8 Pro Omni's impressive cleaning capabilities, advanced navigation system, and quiet operation. Therefore, if you're in the market for a reliable and efficient home cleaning robot, look no further than this incredible device. Now that we've dived into its features, let me ask you, are you tired of dealing with messy floors and dust-covered surfaces? Do you wish you had an extra pair of hands to help keep your home spotless? Therefore, it's time to revolutionize the way you clean with the Ecovacs X8 Pro Omni. To give you a better idea of what sets this robot apart from others on the market, let me highlight some key benefits. Firstly, its advanced navigation system allows for seamless and efficient cleaning routes. Secondly, its powerful suction captures 99.97% of dust, pollen, and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. And lastly, its quiet operation ensures that you can use it during the night or whenever suits your schedule best. But don't just take my word for it. The Ecovacs X8 Pro Omni has received rave reviews from satisfied customers who praise its efficiency and effectiveness in keeping their homes clean. Therefore, if you're ready to experience a cleaner, healthier home with minimal effort required, then this is the perfect solution for you. One thing that I've found particularly useful about the X8 Pro Omni is how easy it is to set up and use. With just a few steps, you can get started on cleaning your home in no time. But don't worry if you're not tech-savvy, the app integration makes it simple for anyone to control and schedule cleanings. In conclusion, after trying out the Ecovacs X8 Pro Omni, I'm convinced that it's a must-have for any homeowner looking to upgrade their cleaning experience. With its advanced navigation system, powerful suction, and quiet operation, this robot truly delivers on its promises. Therefore, if you're ready to take your home cleaning to the next level, click the link in the description to get the best price. For the best price, click the link in the description.